How to manage store categories on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to manage a store category or the store categories of your website on Squarespace. So we're going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to head over the account dashboard. Once we have did that, what we're going to do is to wait for a few seconds, then we are going to click on go to website. Now what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We are going to head over the products and services. So click on here and then we're going to find our products. So now the category is going to be under the product. So we can go ahead and head over the products like that. Select any product, click on it or modify it by clicking on edit. Now we're going to scroll down until we are going to see the organization. So it is going to be, for example, the visibility, I'm going to put it as public. And for the categories, I'm going to modify this. Here we have it. I am going to click on create. So we are going to add categories from here, and then we can go ahead and manage them by selecting one of them for this. For example, iPad, or I don't know, any product that you have. So I'm going to have here tech and electronics. So we are going to have this electronics. I'm going to add, and here we go. I'm going to put it like that. And also the tags, you can go ahead and have, for example, iPad. Let's say here tech, electronics, and boom, you're going to save it. And then as you can see, we have created a category. So basically the category is going to be situated within the product, as you can see, a page. So you're going to find the category set up only on the product. So if you're going to head over the setting, when you're going to click on selling, you're not going to see the products, but you're going to see the reviews only. So the category is going to be set up on the settings. Also for the website or the pages, you can go ahead and add a store page, and you're going to create a new category, and this category you're going to, for example, have it like that and create a new category from here. And with that, you're going to put something, you're going to add it, and then you can go ahead and manage it by deleting it here, add it or edit the category as it is for the URL slug, enable the page, the filter visibility, and etc. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.